Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at XAUUSD, we can see that this market as expected started to drop in the major direction of the trend on the lower time frame. Now before we look at how we can trade, first let's quickly look at highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now as expected, we can see that XAUUSD from this level start to drop on the monthly, and we may see further downside in this market. If we take the Fibonacci, we have seen that primarily the price has broken the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Currently it is below 50%, and we might see that ultimately the price is coming back to the 61.8% Fibonacci level. Now, if we look at the weekly chart to see how the market is doing, now from the weekly perspective, we can see that there is a weekly doji formation, and with that weekly doji, there is a strong breakdown. And with that breakdown, what we can expect on XAUUSD for the market to come back down further to this support level, and what we could see that the price ultimately coming to this weekly and monthly support for long term picture. If we look at the daily chart on XAUUSD, we can see that from the daily perspective, there is a daily head and shoulder formation. And after this daily head and shoulder, the market managed to break below. And we can see that from this head and shoulder, there was a neckline formation here. And the price, this is the support here, which is turning resistance here. And from that level, XAUUSD has broken below this level. We have seen quite a few days of a strong bearish move on XAU USD, and we may see that ultimately coming back to the monthly support level. Now, long term picture, if we look at, it's a long term bull market. We have seen that break of structure. The price tested the neckline of this support as a resistance, and from that zone we can see the price started to break below, and we could see ultimately coming to the support level. Now, from the 4-hour time frame on XAUUSD, we can see that after this long consolidation and has head and shoulder formation breakdown, tested this support as a resistance, and the market started to drop again. Currently the price below the 4-hour 20 EMA, and we might see that the price continuing to the downside with a long-term picture. Now if we look at the 1-hour chart, we can see that this market currently in a downtrend as well, and what we can expect on this market for the price to move up for a deeper pullback. And if we see that any of this liquidity zone is broken on XAUUSD, we will be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.